Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful fascinator. So I'll be using my straw brim. If you do not know how to trim a straw hat from the brim, you should click on the link showing on your screen right now to watch. So can you see how I folded my straw brim? And then I'm going to tack that point just as you see me doing. Now, apart from this straw brim, you'll be needing, of course, your already molded fascinator. You'll be needing some feathers of your choice. You need a brooch, and then, of course, your Alice band. Okay, then you need a land thread. So now I'm just tacking that point. You have to tack it and make sure it sticks, like it's very firm. If you would have to use a pin to hold it down, fine, you can use a pin if that will make it easier for you. Okay, so watch how I'm folding this, okay, so that you will not miss it. If you do not understand how I got to this point, kindly rewind, like go back and then come back, you would get it. Okay, so now I'm going to still use my needle and thread to tack this down. So now keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I'll keep doing this until it is very firm. Please note that I'm using the thread that came out while I trimmed my straw hat, but you can use your normal thread, okay? So now I'm going to attach my brooch. Feel free to use any color of brooch that you feel would match the color of the straw brim that you're using, okay? But I decided to use this silver. Okay, now I'm going to stitch it to my already formed design. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Now you can use your hot glue to attach this, but I'm a believer. If you've been following my videos, you will know that I love stitching. Like I love fascinators that will be durable, that will be firm, you understand, long lasting. So the faster way is to use your hot glue, of course. So now I'm going to place it on my fascinator base, okay, and then I'm going to stitch it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos. For all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. I love you. And for those that are new, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe. Also, you can share this video so that it will reach more people, okay? So that I can be encouraged to do more. I want more people to learn how to make beautiful fascinators. So now I'm done stitching. You can see how beautiful our fascinator turned out. Okay, I've even attached my Alice band. I didn't know my video didn't cover that part. I'm sorry about that, but I'm sure you know how to attach your Alice band. I've been doing that in most of my videos. So right now I'm going to just put in a few feathers. Feel free to use a different type of feather, but this is the type I'm using, and then I'm going to just sparingly put the feathers. Of course, I'll be using my UHU glue to place my feathers where they are or where I want to place them. Feel free to place them where you prefer to. But if you want it to come out exactly like mine, as beautiful as mine, then you can follow exactly what I'm doing. So I'm placing my feathers in these strategic points, as you can see. And then I'm going to apply my glue, and that will be all. Thank you for watching.